With its uniqueness of rotation and modularization, following the concept of online silo storage, the Smart Reel Storage Silo represents the first such type creation in the industry. By erecting the track, putting it in the SMT line, it does not occupy the passage and is not restricted by space. The feeders on the front and rear sides of the placement machine correspond to the double-sided openings, realizing double-sided feeding, reducing the walking distance of people. There are upper and lower parts for material storage, which are compatible with standard reels of 7-inch 8mm thickness and 13-inch 12 to 32mm thickness. After connecting with MES network, it can realize single reel early warning, serving one reel one time to avoid disorder. While achieving efficient material calls, it completely prevents mistakes from the source. After the offline materials are removed from the feeder, they can be directly returned to the online silo for the priority call when the next machine is in need, which simplifies the process and greatly reduces the generation of sluggish materials. The entrance and exit are equipped with safety light curtains. During the operation of the equipment, if someone touches the sensing area with hands or foreign objects, the equipment will alarm and forcibly interrupt the operation of the equipment. Engineers cleverly took advantage of the maintenance and repair space of the conveyor tracks to design two sets of drawers to store solder paste, stencil, blade, tray materials and tube materials needed in production and effectively manage them to make the site more tidy and orderly. Then, we'll see how to store the reels. First, enter the storage mode from the entrance of the computer and PDA, scan the silo ID and the silo will automatically identify the loading position. And then scan the ID on the reel, the silo will automatically allocate an empty storage position and correspondingly lights up the blue indicator light. Then, follow the indicator light prompts to store materials and complete the storage. Continuously scan the reel ID, it automatically enters the batch inventory mode. Next, we will demonstrate the single reel early warning of the machine. After connected with the pick and place machine, according to the splicing requirement of pick and place machine, a low-level warning is given. The light on the early warning board corresponding to the indicator light on the top of the feeder is yellow, and the MES synchronously sends an instruction to the online silo. The online silo transfers the corresponding material to the feeding port, and the green indicator light is on. After taking out the material according to the prompt, the indicator light of the silo material port goes out. It indicates that the material is taken out correctly, and the yellow bar on the synchronous early warning board switches to a green mark. After receiving the material, scan the QR code corresponding to the feeder, and the anti-wrong material taking system indicator light goes out. The green mark of the station corresponding to the early warning board disappears, and the material receiving is completed. The Smart Reel Storage Silo has the following value. First, real-timely and appropriate delivery of materials. Second, fundamentally mistake-proof. Third, no need to write station number in advance. Fourth, no need to divide materials according to station in advance. Fifth, large and small reels can be mixed and matched for storage. Sixth, the production line is in orderliness. Seventh, it can be connected with pick and place machine single track and double tracks. Eighth, more needs can be customized. Thanks for watching.